Hello, welcome to Concepts of Cloud. In this video, we will see how to enable password authentication for a user so that user can log in into an EC2 instance without using SSH key pair. To enable this, log in into the server in which you want to enable password authentication. Login as root. Sudo-i is the command which is used for login as root in EC2 instance. Now I am logged in as root. We have to edit a SSD file. So BIE slash etc slash ssh slash ss config, enter. Check for the permit root login. Enable that if you want to permit root login. So here you could see permit root login. Uncomment this. Right now it is in comment form. Uncomment this. Now you could see its color change. Similarly, allow for password authentication. Here we have password authentication. It is commented right now. Uncomment this and comment password authentication as no. Save this file. Restart the SSH service. Add a user. I am adding my name as user, so user add. I gave wrong path, so let me correct it. Okay. I missed command. User is added now. Set a password. Setting as test 123 plus. Again I am setting test 123 plus. Similarly, reset for root password also. passwd root test 123 plus test 123 plus. Now I will log out of this server and try to log in with my username and password. I have logged out. I am opening my terminal now. I am into my terminal. SSH. What will be IP? IP is this one. Verify fingerprint. Now you could see it is asking for password. I successfully logged into this server. I did not use SSH key pair to log in. Now I will try to log in as root also. So su hyphen password is same only. See, I have logged in as root also. That is all about this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and keep learning.